What's up YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja back again with another video and another lead for you to find jobs online. If you like my channel and the content I'm sharing, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video or these videos with a friend, and let's just get into it. Oh, real quick, there are some links below. They are affiliate links. If you do not want to be working and using your time to earn money, then the links below will show you opportunities that you can use to build online businesses that make money while you sleep. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's legitimate people showing you how they have used marketing and other ways to build their online businesses and have now grown it to a place where even during COVID they're still making money. And I'm talking 5-6 figure money, right? So even 7-figure money. But check those links. They are affiliate links, and as a result, if you do purchase a product or service, then I do get a commission. This channel gets a commission, just making that fully transparent. But if not, then that's fine. You just need to click the links. A page will pop up where you enter your name and email address. That name and email address will be kept private. It's just so we can reach out to you in the future should there be any major changes to the offers that you were viewing. After you've entered your name and email address, you'll be taken to a page where you can view free webinars. You can schedule your time, view these free webinars, and make an informed decision. You can't make a decision about a life-changing event without facts. So these webinars take you step by step thoroughly through what these processes are, what these businesses entail, so that you can make an educated decision. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. And today's lead comes to us from care.com. care.com. Now, Care is a site or a company that offers care. Now, that care takes different forms. There's, as you can see here, child care, there's senior care, there's a housekeeping service, there's a pet care service, special needs, and tutoring and homeschooling. Right? They even go through how you could do your taxes. So if you have a nanny, you can sort out your taxes for your nanny, or she could do them herself, or he could do them himself. But we'll focus on one of these main features. So if you wanted to find a caregiver or find a job, in this case we want to find a job, what kind of service do you offer? You could say you're a babysitter or a nanny. You could say child care center or in-home daycare. So you can go to the person to babysit. If you have a child care center, like an established business, you could say that you have a child care center. Or if you work from home, that you have an in-home daycare, that's an option. So if you wanted to click that, all right, shows you how you can find new customers or hire more employees, and it shows you how you can get your company's name out into the public so that you can become even a household name in your community or in a city or across the US. Hey, dream big, right? Now, that's how that little bit works, but we're interested in finding a job online, not necessarily giving care. Get it? Care.com. Alright, so on care.com, see if we can go back to the home page real quick. Alright, so went back too far. Okay, so when you're on the home page, if you scroll through, alright, you'll go to the bottom of the page, you'll see careers. Hit careers. Alright. And it will tell you a bit about care.com. We connect families with caregivers and caregivers with jobs so that the world can go to work. And we're just getting started. Our technology connects people. Meet colleagues with heart. We get it. You have a life. Join an organization that's values driven. Be a part of a brand that cares. We're changing the world and enjoying every minute of it. So, you hit join us. Takes you to the bottom of the page. You can either select a department, select a location that's closest to you, and then hit find jobs. When that lights up, that will light up. This section here will light up when you select here and here, but because we don't have anything selected, it won't light up. So say you are a caregiver, right? Here are the available jobs that they have listed. There's one part-time childcare provider in Houston, Texas, part-time childcare provider in LA, California, childcare provider in Massachusetts, that's part-time, childcare provider trusted San Francisco Bay Area, childcare provider part-time New York, New York, provider part-time Seattle, Washington, and so on and so forth. So you get the picture. And there's a list of about 20 positions. Let's just click one. Boulder, Colorado. Yay! Do you love meaningful work which leaves you fulfilled at the end of the day? Do you enjoy making a positive impact on people's lives? Are you someone who enjoys work but also flexibility? If you answered yes to any or all these questions, Care.com may be the place for you. Tells you that they're the largest online marketplace for care, connects families to caregivers and caregivers to jobs. So, your job description: nurture, engage, and prioritize the safety of the children in your care while ensuring a fun and interactive experience. Abide by and follow the schedule and rules set forth by parents. Perform light household duties as related to tidying and cleaning up after the children. If you want to join a team, you'll be caring for children in their homes, typically an 8-hour day, get paid competitive hourly rates, receive paid training, example CPR and first aid certifications. As you know, them toddlers love to swallow stuff, right? So they'll be eating popcorn or whatever. Always be watching children, that's all I'm saying. Alright? Don't ever let them out of your sight ever for anything. So what you can do, just click apply. It's that simple. When you click apply, it's going to take some time to generate the application, and you will enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and your location. Okay? You will upload your resume or curriculum vitae. You will upload your cover letter, right? And you'll fill out the rest of the information about your metrics, your age. Are you legally authorized to work in the States? You know, there's a lot of people trying to sneak into the US and claim that they're naturalized, or they claim that they have all their papers straight and they don't. So that's important. You don't want your children or parent or anyone being cared for by someone that can't even be traced. So, how did you hear about us? Hey, I watched it on Internet Income Ninja. Please describe your child care experience. What was the length of each experience? What ages did you care for in each of your experiences? So it's just a simple, straightforward, quote-unquote questionnaire, or you could just hit the apply with LinkedIn button and all of your information will be uploaded from your LinkedIn profile, because what you are a professional caregiver, right? That's what we do. We're professionals. So this is an online based company that provides care in person. With that said, there are other positions available. There is IT and engineering, product and design, marketing and creative. That one has one opening, but it means you need to hurry because that one may be targeted quickly. And especially after watching this video, a lot more people will be knowing or will be aware of these positions. So attack them with all the fervor and care that you have to want to go into the world and offer your support and love to people. So that's it for this lead. Care.com, care.com. Reminds me of the Care Bears. But thanks for watching this video. Again, check the links below. Thank you so much for your time. It's great to provide care, and caring for people and their children is great. But one way I know I can care for my people is to have the means necessary to provide whatever is needed. That I can actually earn money even when I'm spending time with my family. I don't need to sell my time for money. But it's really important to me that I can earn money even if I'm not investing my time in trying to earn money. And so I can even provide care for my own children because I'm able to work wherever and have my time whenever to be able to spend with them. Because it's not about the money, it's about the time and the love that I impart to my family. But you can't do that unless you're financially free. So check the links below, become financially free, and truly care for those around you. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video, and I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.